Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 8th, 2022. We are going to talk about Shiba Inu today, and one key indicator that I'm going to show you on the chart perspective that we want to be on the lookout for to see if this market in Shiba Inu is about to go lower. You guys can see already on my chart that I am expecting the price in Shiba Inu to go lower, to drop, not by a catastrophic amount, but just by a little bit. So I'm going to talk about one thing that I've been paying attention to that I want you all to pay attention to in order to know if the market in Shiba Inu is going to continue to go lower. So welcome to the channel. Yeah, this is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. You guys can see it right now in front of you on your screen. I make sure that I predict and forecast where I think price is going to go without you all being confused, just to show you that you can do the same thing. All you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification in order to make sure you learn as much as possible from what I am showing you, as well as what I'm talking about. Check this out. Like I said, I did a video in Shiba Inu expecting the price to go down. You guys can see it. I'm showing you the progression or the performance of the market against my original intentions. I'm looking for the price to go down, right? Now, I want to show you this key indicator that continues to let us know that I still may be on par to see the price in Shiba Inu go lower. You see it. Look at this. Just look at the price bars. Just look at the volume, and let's try to figure out what particular day would actually show us that we are on par for Shiba Inu's price to continue to go lower, right? Can you see that? If you can't, don't worry about it, because I want to continue to show you all how I look at the price charts to see whether or not the market's going to continue to go up or down. So it occurred right here. Let me show it to you. It was on this day right here, March the 28th, that confirmed my original price prediction, which I did all the way back here on the 17th of March. Back then, on March 17th, I extended the ultimate area of restriction in Shiba Inu around 300 thousandths of a penny, right up here. I was telling you all that even if we do see Shiba Inu's price go up there and the market does not break above that particular level, then I understand that the market is still weak. So the market was able to bring Shiba Inu's price all the way from like 2,300 thousandths to 300 thousandths right here on the 28th. And it was on that day that we saw the price begin to decline, to go lower. Yes. This volume right there also on the 28th confirms that most of that trading on this particular day was selling. Yeah, because if it wasn't selling, then the market would not be trending lower today. So yes, we're still on par to see Shiba Inu's price go lower, right? We're still on par to see that. Now, one thing I will tell you all, okay, let me show you this. As I zoom out this chart, I want you all to notice something, right? I want you all to notice something. The market in Shiba Inu, even though we've seen the price already decline, from October 29th to where price currently is 71%. That was a massive decline. Like we'll take that. But the markets lately has just been consolidating. You see that? That's pretty good, right? It's not like the market in Shiba Inu is not creating a market. Like there's still some life in this particular exchange on Binance. People are still trading Shiba Inu, and they're not willing to let the price fall lower than 200 thousandths of a penny. They're trying to keep the market level higher, which is a good thing for those looking to look at this market long term. You can also see here that generally the price trend is going up too in Shiba Inu. See, I got that too. So you guys can tell, even though my price prediction is looking for Shiba Inu to go lower, I'm also prepared to see this market bounce here, right? I can see that. So let's go ahead and take a look at a different time frame to see what is the probability of us seeing the market in Shiba Inu holding this ascending line. Let's go ahead and take a look. So let me get rid of this area here, this horizontal line, and we're going to try to track the market in Shiba Inu on this trend. Okay, because this has been the trend for all of 2022 so far. Shiba Inu's price has been trading above this trend. You guys can see we're about to test it right now. So let's look at this on the 2-day time frame. Okay, so this is Shiba Inu right here on the 2-day time frame. What do you think the chances are of us seeing the price in Shiba Inu keep its price above this ascending line? What do you think the probabilities are? 60%, 80%, 90%? What do you think? Because I've already shown you that the selling in Shiba Inu started here. And so far, the other 2-day price bars following this one continues to reflect weakness, continues to reflect that there's no interest here right now. So if anything, I'm still looking for the price in Shiba Inu to possibly come down and test this line. Yes. Let's look at this on the 3-day. This is Shiba Inu right here on the 3-day time frame. Can you see this? We're still seeing the indications of weakness. So this ascending line is pretty much in jeopardy of being cracked, of being broken to the downside. I'm just literally here showing you the information. You all can see it right there, that the weakness here in Shiba Inu is still present. That's on the 3-day time frame. This is it on the 5-day. So what do you all think? Weekly time frame. So far, the market here in Shiba Inu is weak. It is. This is it on a 4-hour time frame. So you guys can tell down here, let me circle it. It's the spot that we're still seeing people trying to sell out into the market in Shiba Inu. This is not a real strong market as of this particular moment. Shiba Inu is not showing strength. It's still showing weakness. Let's look at this on a different time frame. This is the 9-hour. See, I'm trying to see, are we getting any indication that the buyers are trying to stand up? Are they trying to not let Shiba Inu's price continue to fall further? $13-hour chart. What do you think? Okay, 15-hour. What do you think? Because I will come to the point right here, if the buyers are able to exceed Shiba Inu's price above this line here, then I would say, yeah, 2,600 thousandths. I would say, yeah, that the buyers are literally here controlling the market and that they're willing to push this cryptocurrency's price higher right there. But until such time, we have to follow the market and not be emotional. Okay, so we're still on par to see the price in Shiba Inu go lower, right? This is the key indicator I wanted to show you all right here that confirms that the weakness is still present. I mean, if that wasn't there, if this particular trading day did not happen, then price in Shiba Inu will still be moving higher. But you guys can see the result. Price has been coming down instead. This was the day that started this downtrend that continued the price in Shiba Inu to go lower. So right now, I want each and every one of us to pay attention to see how the market in Shiba Inu trends along this line, right? If we continue to see price prop up here, then yeah, we need to cut this play. And it's going to be a minor loss. I get it. If we were to get out now, it's 11.25%. But as price continues to go lower, I would say around 2,300 thousandths of a penny, that only be 3% loss. This is where we need to see the buyer's hold price right there. Okay, so I would say like 2,300 thousandths, right around this area is where we need to see the market in Shiba Inu bounce. We need to see the buyers stand up alongside this line. If it happens, cut the play, play the long side, play the buy side, because the market is actually telling us that at that particular moment. So just be on the lookout for it. All right, so I'm here. I'm not going to change my price prediction right now in Shiba Inu. The indication is still reflecting that we're still having a little bit of weakness mixed in. My only thing that I'm telling you now is that I'm looking for buyers to stand up price on this ascending line. Okay, until such time, I'm expecting the price to go lower. Now I want to know, what do you all think though? Are we going to continue to see the price in Shiba Inu fall? Or are we going to bounce off this trend? Where do you think price is going to go? Drop me a comment real quick and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.